How to add payment method on OfferUp app. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. So for this you have to go ahead and open up your OfferUp application. If you do not have one, make sure to download and install it on your mobile device. Then again, sign up or log in to your OfferUp account. Once you are logged into your OfferUp account, you can go ahead and select the option of account which will be at the bottom or at the top of your screen. It actually depends upon the application version. Once you are in your account, you will see payment and deposit method. Select the option of payment and deposit method. In here, you will see the option of add credit or debit card. You simply have to go ahead and select the option of add credit or debit card. Once you tap on the option, you will have to enter the card number, CVV, expiration date as well. Make sure to enter it correctly. Then again, it will ask you for a verification document, so provide every document it will ask for. It might take 2 to 3 business days to officially add your payment method. However, it solely depends upon your credit or debit card company as well. And that is how you can easily add your payment method on OfferUp application. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.